Speedway increases the number of flights from city A to city B to 20 flights each week and improves their efficiency so that more flights are on time. The probability that at least 19 flights are on time is 0.788. Okay, so this is the probability. Again, we need to give. Okay, one more thing. I just need to tell you. You can also use. I have given you the explanation from graph. For this particular problem, you can use the conditional probability also. That is P of A given B is equals to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. And what is now A will be y1, that is number of the particular problem 10 flights, and B will be y2, that is greater than equals to 7 flight. Okay, so this you can also take. As you can see, A union B is completely a subset of A, so I can write P of A divided by P of B. From here also you can find the probability. This will also be equal that I have shown you in the graph. So both are equal. You can also use the conditional probability here if you need. Okay, you can also check the value from the equation, but if you need, you can do it from here. Now for the last question, it is also one from binomial distribution. I am taking it at y2. This is binomial distribution of 20 events and the probability we need to find out. Okay, so it is given that if 19 flights, that at least 19 flights are on time, at least 19 flights are on time, so P of y2 greater than equals to 19, this probability is 0.788. From the question we can find that. So it is nothing but P of y2 equals to 19 and P of y2 equals to 20. These 2 points are available after 19, that is the 20 available points are there. So if one point is 90 and 19, the next point will be obviously 20. So from here we are getting that. So the formula, this is equals to 0.788, and also you will find this like that. The if we express this in formula, that is 20C19, 20C19, if we express this in formula, that will be 20C19 p to the power 19 into 1 minus p to the power 1 plus 20C20 p to the power 20 into 1 minus p to the power 0 equals to 0.788. This is the formula. Now you have to calculate this combination from combination calculator, or directly you have C in your calculator. So just put the value. It will be 20 p to the power 19 into 1 minus p plus p to the power 20 equals to 0.788. And you have to calculate that, that is 20 p to the power 19 minus 20 p to the power 20 plus p to the power 20 is equals to 0.788. Again I have 20 p to the power 19 minus 19 p to the power 20 equals to 0.788. Now you again have to use the calculator to find the value of p. In your calculator, if you don't have the, if you are confused how you will calculate p, just instead of p use x. I am giving you the graphical representation of this. Okay, so see the Desmos graph. I am giving you the graphical representation, that is 20x to the power 19, 20x to the power 19 minus 19, 19x to the power minus 19x to the power 20 equals to 0.788. So here you can see from the graph, you can see that is one value is before 1, so this will be the value. We cannot take this value, we cannot take beyond 1 value, because probability cannot be greater than 1. So this is the value. You need to find this value from the calculator. Okay, so here the question number 9 is solved. Here the question number 9 is solved. So from this point it is calculated. Okay, so from this point you need to calculate from the calculator. I have shown the problem.